Hey you guys, long time no talk. Welcome back to my channel. It has been months since I have posted a tutorial on here, and if I still have any people out there following me, thank you. I'm sorry I've been so quiet. For those of you who may not know, we are expecting again and we are due in February, and the last couple months I have been down and out with just exhaustion and morning sickness and all the things that come with being pregnant and taking care of a 1-year-old. So thank you guys for your patience. I'm really excited to come back on and share a tutorial. Over on my Instagram page, I asked what my followers wanted to see, and they all voted for another tutorial on how to use the adjustable hairband. So that's what I'm going to share today. Before I show you a couple easy hairstyles though, I just want to show you a couple of our different styles and some unique features about them. So we have a wide variety of headbands. We have some that are braided leather mixed with beads. We have some that are just plain beaded. This is braided suede. This is like a denim fabric, and then we also have plain leather styles. We have leopard print, buffalo, plaid, camouflage, just so many different fun styles, and I love that there's a style for every taste. But the thing that makes our headband stand out and so different from any other headband is this little piece in the back, and it's an adjustable strap. So you can adjust your headband to make it bigger or smaller just by sliding this little piece. You can make it tighter or you can make it looser, and this is for comfort. So you can make the headband fit your head size perfectly. It's not going to be too tight, it's not going to be too loose, it's not going to dig in behind your ears like some of the hard plastic headbands do. They are just so comfortable. This strap comes in 4 different colors, so you can get one that matches your hair color. There's a black, a brown, a blonde, and a gray. And then the strap also comes in 2 different sizes. This is the standard size. People always wonder what size strap to get, and I say it all depends on your head size. I have a smaller size head, so I just use the standard size. If you have a larger size head, or if you like to add a lot of volume to your roots, and so your roots end up really puffy and there's a lot of volume around your head, you should probably get the longer size adjustable strap. All right, so let's go ahead and show you a couple easy hairstyles that you can do using the headband. So as you can see, these are super easy to use. You can add them to literally any hairstyle, just like you can any hairband, but they're so comfortable. You can leave them in all day without getting a headache because they're not going to be squeezing your head, because you can adjust it to fit your head size perfect. They're not going to be so loose that they're falling off, and they're not going to be digging in behind my ears. You guys, I love these headbands. They're so unique, they're so comfortable, and they're so different than any other headband out there on the market. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful. If you have any questions whatsoever, just drop them down in the comments below. I would love to help you and answer your questions. If you're interested in shopping these headbands, I'll leave the link to my website down in the description below, so you can just click down there, click on my website, and search your headbands, and all of the different options will pop up. If you haven't yet, please be sure to subscribe to my channel so that you can see future tutorials, and give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I hope you guys all have a great day, and we'll see you around.